Oh, hello, sir. Today, I'm going to host my HTML file to the cloud server, which served by DigitalOcean. So now get to it. So here is the uh, website that we're going to host our project. So we're going to the create and drop that. Wait a minute. Here is our nearest server. So I pick Singapore and our operating system. I pick Ubuntu, and for the version I choose version 22, 64-bit, and here our CPU. So for my case, uh, because I host the static website, I choose the basics CR CPU here. And here is the CPU architecture. So we have AMD, Intel, and for me, I choose regular and the service plan. I pick up $12 per month. So, okay, here is the information about the virtual machine component, uh, such as CPU, storage device, the transfer data. Yes, and for here, we can choose the virtual machine authentication by SSH key or the password. So for my case, I choose password, and now we have to fill in the password, but don't forget to take note because we can be going to use it later. So here is the password that I'm going to initialize. Okay, and what next? And here is the monitoring that monitor the traffic of virtual machine content that we use. And here is the scaling the server. So we can scale the amount of server to hosting our website um, without doing uh, redoing the configuration. So if I increase this 3 times, so it means that increase the amount of server three, uh, three server. So, but if you increase this, our uh, uh, the plan service also increase. So it will cost it will cost us $36 a month. Okay. So for my case, I only choose one. So now already, so I click create droplet. Okay. And then it will navigate us to this web page. That web. Okay. So now let's click on droplet here, and we will see the data traffics of our component will displayed here. But now no data. But what we see is what we get is the machine's IP address. Here is our public address, and here is our private address. So now we can access through our virtual machine by this IP address. So now let's click it and pass to the website, the browser, but it will pop up nothing at the first time because our virtual machine don't know how to respond to us because we not do some configuration of our machine. But now, because we have the public address, so we can do the remote access control by using this software. package called mobile term and go to the SSA and uh, type out our public IP address and click OK. So accept it, and we see this seal, this terminal, and the user is root and the password uh, that I create at the moment. So let's copy it, paste here, uh, paste here. Okay, sorry, cancel. So here is the terminal that we can access control do remote control to our virtual machines. Okay, so now what we have to do next is to download the Apache server to this virtual machine. Now let's see the current location. We in root, so let uh, uh, get back on directory. Okay, so now we have the root directory here. So what we do next is we are going to download um, the Apache server for our virtual machine. Okay, so now I can type digital ocean install Apache. Uh, okay, I can say that install Apache. Okay, here. So can click it on here. That wait a minute and scroll down here. So we can choose our suitable um, version. So for my case, it's 22.04 and scroll down until this command. So to install the Apache server, we have to update our repository first. So let's update it. Pass through here. Okay, they're ready. Let's copy another command. So the last command is to install our install the Apache. So now Apache server costs 8,000 kilobyte. So tap yes to install the package. So now we have Apache server in our uh, virtual machine. And what we do next is to install the PHP. But before we going to install uh, the PHP, right now we can uh our virtual machine can respond to the user right now. Okay, as you can see here. Now the page is pop up, and uh to host the website that we want, the HTML website. First, we have to uh um install the PHP first. Okay, so um let's go to um install the PHP. But let me list all their directory here. So one more thing I forget to tell is the root directory of our web page is the var cd var, and then list all directory again and cd www here, and the last thing is the HTML here, cd HTML. Okay, so here is our root directory. So is the place that we used to that we must store our HTML file. Okay, so now let's install the PHP. So uh, digital so PHP here 7.14. I think so. Okay, yes, here. So first, because the PHP 7.14 is not supported by the Ubuntu's version 22.04. So right now we have to install some package, some dependency that uh, that can be that can uh, support the PHP 7.4. Okay, so to do this, we have to run this uh, few commands here. Okay, and then we do the and then create the repository for the PHP 7.4. Here's the directory that support that PHP version. Okay, that wait a minute. Okay, successful. And update our repository. Okay, and the last thing, now we can install our PHP 7.4. Okay, because right now our operating system support that version because we have installed some dependency for that version. Okay, so right now we install it and wait a little bit. O- Okay, okay, success. So to make sure that uh, our operating system contain the PHP, so we have to run this command PHP version. So here we get exactly what we want. Okay, so now we can write the PHP code in our virtual machine, and the user can get the PHP file from our uh, machine. Yes, that we host to the cloud server. So now let's create. So obviously here, uh, in that directory, sorry, we have sorry, we have index.html. So that web page, that file, we don't need it anymore. What we need is to create the PHP file to to our website, to coding our website, our web page, and then we host it to the server. So now let's remove this file index.html. Okay, let's list it, and nothing happened right now. So if we go to this domain name, nothing pop up. Yeah. So let's create uh, our PHP file. Let's say index.php. Okay. So here is our PHP file, which called index. So to write the PHP code, we have to write dash PHP. Oh, sorry. Less angle bracket question mark and PHP, and then the echo the string which hello cloud computing cost. Okay, and semicolon. So let's save it. Control X, Y, and enter. Okay. So now let's move to that our domain name. So if the sentence is displayed, it means our hosting is success. Now let's refresh it. Okay, hello cloud computing cost. So uh our task today is finished because we success on hosting the PHP file to the cloud server which served by the DigitalOcean. And that and that's it the end for the task. Thank you, sir.